Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today, we're going to see, we're going to see the topic called SQL Subquery, part number 3. That is, we are going to see about group by class, what we need and how we can use with the database today. To discover session today, whenever you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So, generally, what will happen when you use the group by class? It's a one where always use it to group rows by one or more columns. Example 1, you can see select country, comma, count asterisk symbol as a number from customers group by country. So when you execute this query, what will happen? Based on the table information, it will filter the information. Let's see the results also. Here, whenever free, you can execute in the online or SQL mode. Here the command groups the rows by country column and comes the number of each country function here. Let's say example, here we have customer table where with information called customer ID, first number, wait, I use. Here we have John, last name is 2, age is 31 and country is USA. Similarly, another customer ID is 2 followed by age 22 and country USA and so on. Let's go for give the query, that is select country, comma, count as number from customers group by country. Here when you execute the query, what will happen? It will print the information like country, UAE, how many number? That is 1. From UK, we can see here 1 plus 1, 2. And USA, you can say 1 plus 1, 2 numbers. So when you execute query, it will display the information like this. Let's see one more example. We can give like this group by SQL, like a select customer ID, comma, sum of amount as total from orders, group by customer ID. Let's see here example. Say let's assume there is a table called create a table orders where you have information of order ID, item, amount, and customer ID. So now what you are going to, that is order ID one, item name is keyboard, and amount is 400 and customer is 4. So let's see here like that will be there. So when you give query select customer ID, comma, sum of amount as total from orders, group by customer ID. So when you execute the query, what will happen? It will group by the customer ID. Let's say example customer ID 1, the value is 400. Yeah, sorry, customer ID is 1 and the total is 400. And similarly customer ID 2, sorry, customer ID here 2, the value is 250. Similarly to print the customer ID is 3, item number 3 values have up to 12,000. At last customer ID 4 have the value of 700 because 400 plus 300 700. Like that it will give the information. Let's go for another one. So group by class with join SQL, it's possible. So we can also use the group by class with a join class like select space customer dot customer ID, comma, customers dot first name, comma, count of orders dot order ID as order count, comma, from customers left to join orders, and customer dot customer ID is called orders dot customer ID group by customer dot customer ID. So when you execute, what will happen? It will join the customer and order table. Customer table is here and order table is here. Both will combine here and groups the result set by the customer ID only. So customer ID is a common one. So based on it will aggregate, segregate, and combine the data. So this is about the group by class with SQL. Remaining we will see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.